guys, it's that time of the year. One of my most favorite events are coming up, and that's the Mums Rally Race. And this race is super intense, bank corners, tabletop jumps, and my partner that I was running the race with has opened his big mouth and said $1,000 to win. Now, that'd be great, but I don't know. We're hoping to have heats this year. We're going to have counters, lap counters, everything. It's going to be pretty cool. But the car that I'm going to take is that V6 Accord. Now, it has no alternator, so I'm just going to bring a couple batteries. Let's go see if she'll fire up, and then we can take a look at it. And I'll explain to you what you have to do to be able to race in Mum's Rally Race. Well, believe it or not, this car here is almost ready for the demolition derby, or the rally race as we're going to call it. So what you guys need to do is remove taillights. We should remove taillights, we don't want chunks of glass. Smashable windows, so back window, side windows, sunroofs, front door windows, those all have to be removed. Windshield can stay in. Front headlights should be removed. We do not want chunks of glass and sharp plastic everywhere. Now underneath the hood, this is where it gets interesting. Battery can stay in factory location. Rad can stay in factory location. Gas tank can stay in factory location. This car here has been partially stripped, but you can leave all the interior in. I'm talking door panels, talking seats, dash. You should remove airbags because it honestly just becomes a problem. Basically, these cars can be pretty much bone stock. This car here is actually filled with garbage, so that would I'm gonna have to clean out the garbage, obviously. But realistically, this car, as it sits, is pretty much stripped enough. Just the windows have to come out for it to be in the rally race. So this build is not a very intense build at all. So we hope to see a lot of people out there this year, and with $1,000 to win, it's honestly going to be a high-paying event. And like I said, this event is super fun. You got bank corners, tabletop jumps, heats. We're going to have heats this year. That's going to be our big deciding factor. So make sure you guys bring spare tires. That is another rule. Tires must be DOT approved tires. They can be doubled if you want, but I don't really know why you'd want that in an endurance race. But the only catch is tires must be DOT. We do not want any off-road use only ATV tires. We do not want any off-road use construction site V-tread tires. We do not want solid tires. Air-filled DOT tires. It's up to you. Just so you guys know, there is V-treads that are DOT approved. We'll just keep that a little bit of a secret. But, I don't know. You guys ready for this Mums Motorsports rally race? $1,000 to win just to go out there and smash up a car. Now this is not a car that I would bring a Camry to, because I think it'd honestly just be a waste of a Camry. But on this Accord, it's V6. The rules is any front wheel drive V6 or 4-cylinder car. So last year there was a CRV there. He removed the rear shafts, put 31s on the front of it, little trailer tires on the back of it. He did very well. There was also everything from old derby cars there, a Cavalier, and new cars that were fresh, like I believe it was a Mitsubishi Lancer. We even had our Enduro car there from last year. But the one thing I will tell you guys, if you take out your windshields, please, please put mesh. There's a lot of mud and a lot of debris that are on the track. I believe my wife even hit a Sea-Doo there last year, so just keep it up and make sure that you guys don't get stuck. But alright guys, you gonna build a car to come to Mums Motorsports? It's gonna be real fun. You'll see me there. And everybody, I don't know if you know this, but Jesse Sandbrook is having a raffle on Mum's Motorsports Facebook page. And what he's gonna do is he's gonna raffle off an enduro car. Free entry. All you do is you show up, put your helmet on, go race the car, and you have a chance to win $1,000. No, it is not this car. It is going to be, I'm pretty sure, a Cavalier, but don't judge a book by its covers. Cavaliers do very well. They're light, they jump, they're fast, and they're pretty agile. So if you guys don't have the time or the space or the knowledge of how to build an enduro car for this event, make sure you check out Mom's Facebook page and you can enter to win your chance a raffle car. So you can just show up, race it, maybe win $1,000, and then go home with a smile on your face because you know that you went there, you tried your best, and you wrecked a car. So thanks everybody for watching, and make sure you check out Mom's Motorsports on Facebook and Mum's Mud Bog on Facebook and check out all their videos, content. It's going to be a fun day, guys, coming up very soon.